Hi students, I am your Bornali ma'am. Today again I am starting one new video about fraction. Okay, so you know when I am making a video, it is not only for the English medium, it is for other students also, those who can understand the chapter about fraction. Okay, so sometimes I can speak in Bengali also to understand to other. Okay, student, listen me what I am saying. তো আজকে আমি কি স্টার্ট করছি তোমাদের জন্য ফ্র্যাকশন। ওকে, ফ্র্যাকশন মানে কি ইন বেঙ্গলি টেল ইট ইজ টোল্ড দ্য ভগ্নাংশ, মানে বাংলায় এটাকে ভগ্নাংশ বলে। মানে হোয়াট ইজ ফ্র্যাকশন? when we are starting fraction, first we have to know about the fraction. So fraction means, like I am giving first example. Okay, like 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, etc. These are fraction. So only if you know about the fraction in this way, not we have to give the representation. আমাদেরকে রিপ্রেজেন্ট করে দেখাতে হবে। আমি কিছু পিকচার দেখিয়ে তোমাদের দেখাচ্ছি যে পিকচারটা কীভাবে আছে। ধরো সাপোজ দেয়ার ইজ গিভেন 1 by 2 is a fraction. So how do you represent? Suppose if there is given one circle, this is one circle, it is given, it is whole part, we know this is the whole part of the circle. If you divide in two equal parts, then each part of this circle is called 1 by 2. Okay, this is the representation of the fraction 1 by 2. So from this what we can say, the fraction is a part of a whole. মানে fraction একটা হোল পার্টের কিছুটা অংশ। এই যে এখানে আমি দুটো ইকুয়ালি ভাগ করেছি, তাই কি পাচ্ছি, এক ইচ পার্টকে আমি পাচ্ছি ফ্র্যাকশন। যদি শুধু বলে হাউ মেনি পার্টস আর দেয়ার, 2 পার্টস, হাউ মাচ পার্টস, দিস ওয়ান পার্ট, দিস ওয়ান অ্যানাদার পার্ট। হোয়েন ইউ উইল সে, মানে তুমি যখন ভগ্নাংশ বা ফ্র্যাকশন আকারে বলবে তখন কি বলতে হবে, 1 by 2, দিস ওয়ান 1 by 2, fraction means whole part 1 by 2, this is the fraction of whole part. This is also 1 by 2 fraction of whole part. In this one 2 by 3, if there is given one kind of this figure and you are making this equally divided, you are making equally divided figure. Okay, then this part it is 1 by 3, this part also 1 by 3, this is also 1 by 3. Why? Because you are dividing in equal parts. So from each part, from this whole part, each part will be the 1 by 3, because if these are divided equally. If it is not equally divided, that time you cannot get any fraction. Okay, so now 2 by 3 you have to represent. If you color or shade this, see, so how many parts are shaded? 2 by 3. Okay, and this is not shaded or not color. And if there is given 3 by 4 is given, 3 by 4, so if there is given one square, this is circle, this is rectangle, this is square. If you divide in equal 4 parts, then each part will be how much? 1 by 4. This is also 1 by 4. This is 1 by 4. This is also 1 by 4. But you have to represent the 3 by 4. This is one fraction. So if you set this in this way, then 3 by 4 part is shaded. So 1 by 4 is not shaded. So in this way you can represent the fraction. Okay student, so next also. Okay, so I think you have understood what is fraction. Fraction or ভগ্নাংশ means the part of a whole. একটা পুরো পার্টের আমরা যদি পুরো পার্টটাকে ইকুয়ালি ডিভাইড করি, if there is anyone asking, like if you have one cake, and you have divided equally in 10 equal parts, and you have given 3 parts your friend. So how much fraction you have given? So cake, if it is in this shape, cake is circular. Okay, if you divide this in 10 equal parts, obviously 10 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 equal parts you have got. This is 10 parts of whole. This is 10 parts, mean it is whole. It is whole parts. Okay, this is the whole. But if you give 3 parts from here, so 3 parts you are giving, like this portion and this portion. You have given your friends. 3 parts you have given to your friends. Okay. So how much fraction you have given? Only 3 by 10. This fraction you have given. And how much left? 7 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 by 10 left. And 3 by 10 given. So how do you represent a fraction? I think you have understood. So next I am explaining about different kind of fraction, and also the parts of fraction. So if you say this is a fraction, so in this fraction 7 is called what? Numerator, and this is called denominator. In Bengali it is told, in numerator is called log. এটাকে বেঙ্গলিতে কি বলে? লগ। এটাকে বলে হর in Bengali. ওকে, আর এটা পুরোটা কি? ভগ্নাংশ। Okay, so next also. Now I will explain about types of fraction. First you see the proper fraction. I am saying about first proper fraction. Proper fraction, the proper fraction like this, in this way: 3 by 5, 5 by 7, 6 by 8, 9 by 10, etc. These are all proper fraction. So how do you identify them? How do you choose them? So first see, this is, we know in a fraction this is numerator and this is denominator. So if numerator, here see, numerator is less than denominator, so which fraction will be proper fraction? If in a fraction numerator is less than the denominator, or you can say denominator is greater than numerator, that time these fractions are called proper fraction. And obviously always any proper fraction, if it is given 2 by 3, 3 by 5, this kind of all proper fraction, always these are all proper fraction. And less than 1, always these are less than 1. All proper fraction always less than 1. Okay, so student, next I will explain, in the next video I will explain the more kind of fraction. Okay student.